What's up, everybody? Right now the truck is going to get its gears done. Well, I'm gonna see if I can do it today because I'm really anxious. I was gonna do it Saturday, but I'm anxious really. So right now I'm gonna see if Elvis can do it, and if not, I'm gonna go to Alana. I told him Saturday, but yeah. But yeah, guys, let's see what goes down. So right now I'm at Elvis's shop. So right now, supposedly a guy's gonna come right now and do it. So yeah, hopefully it'll get done by today. Está los 5 million. It does kind of sound calm though, poquito way. I got a magnifier, nigga. I took off the carbon way.
Fíjate que yo vengo a jalar otra parte, güey. ¿Y eso qué, güey? Fernando, bastante el otro, mejor el otro terreno.
Sí, pues cuando busco cosas por ella, dijo que estaba bien. No lo conoces así cambiado,
So she's done. Already put everything back together. Took them like an hour and a half or less. So yeah, let's see how she does. They're gonna retune it and then hell yeah. I'm excited, guys. So it's the next day, and right here is a original unit. So yeah, yeah, this thing was not Posi at all. I thought it was a limited slip. Nope, it has nothing. So yeah, shout out to Elvis plus the retune. Hell yeah. So right now we're gonna go drive it around, and yeah, right now I'm gonna go put gas in it because it has nothing. All right, so with these gears, I can't do 40s anymore. So probably the highest I can do is like a 30 or 35. But let's try out 35, guys. Let's try 35. definitely felt a difference, though. She pulls way harder now, guys. Now let's try 25s also, so let's try a 25. Let's try a 30 now, guys. Alright guys, so yeah, she's done. I don't know if I showed y'all, but here's a stock unit. What I can tell right off the bat is I just did a trip and I noticed that she doesn't spend that much gas as much as she did with the stock unit, and that's pretty badass really. And then I can't do 40s anymore. I don't know if I showed y'all the clip where I tried to do a 40. I can't do a 40 anymore, so that one's out. I can do 25s, 30s, and 35s. That's the highest I can do. I've done a 60 roll and it does pretty good. And the surprise is, let me just show y'all. So I recently picked up a drop kit, struts, spindles, flip kit, shocks. I might get some other ones, but I don't know what yet. But I got this all for $200. Then these are either a 3 or a 4-inch drop spindle, flip kit, and then the what's it called, the strut assembly. I might get different shocks, but I'm not sure yet. But yeah, just give me a month, guys, and this truck will lose its wheel gap for good. Look how much wheel gap that is. Ouch. So yeah guys, and then probably after the drop I'm gonna try to see if I could get some traction bars for it, just so I don't destroy my drive shaft or my transmission. And yeah, we'll see what goes down really. But yeah guys, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later.